Are you having computer problems? Is your computer running very slow and not responding? Is your laptop screen broken? Is your electronic device not working properly? Have you lost your files due to some virus? If you are facing any of these problems, don't worry because Consumertec provides solution to all your problems. We even provide remote services, so we can work on your problem anytime without visiting your home. We can supply and fit new components. We do data recovery to fixing smashed screen and upgrading hard disk to super fast SSD. We also offer a collect and return service. Some of our services are smartphone, tablet repair, PC, Mac repair, network services, home computer services and help, data backup, recovery and protection, customized PC, managed IT services, business services. Consumertec cover the whole of Fife and beyond. We are here to offer advice, sales and repairs. For more information, please contact us on 01383 660 WhatsApp, text 07897 660 or email support@consumertec.co.uk. Thank you and we look forward to helping you.